Hi guys, this is my 3.5 axis build. This is my first time video. Here's the deck list. Triple bear. Sorry about that. The one gorilla, the one dragon. I know dragon is the. I only put one gorilla, so for the what 3.5 axis build. Okay. I put one boar for synchro, level 8, one wolf bar. Now for the 3.5 axis, the 3 axis build, so that triple leopard, yeah, the one spirit, the one chicken, for 2 bait, 2 Vader, the for anti-meta, the one Naxi, the one Ryo. That's it for the monsters. Now for the spells, triple Kensu. I only put I put triple Kensu because I problem with it. The 120, the two double M. Sorry about that. The one Gyoko, the one Rekindling. Rekindling is for the spirit and leopard, or synchro for levitation when they're in the graveyard. So yeah. Triple MST. Yeah, so the one Darko, the one Forbidden Lands. That's it. Now, for the traps, I play double tension, the one 20, the one Mirror Force, the one Breakthrough Skill. I play Breakthrough Skill if there is a effect monster that can destroy or master my field. So I active breakthrough skills. Yes, will negate it. I play the prison, yeah, the one horn, or because I only play double tension, I play the horn. So one finish chain, the sun judgment, sun warning. So that one bottomless struggle, the transfer tribute. In the compulsory evacuation device. Yeah. No. All of my cards are fakes. They are not original cards. So yeah. For the side, for the extra deck, double Tiger King, the one Lion Emperor, Cardinal, Gaga Cowboy, the one Black Sheep of Corn, 107, Tokyo Dragon, the one Diamond Direwolf, Gun Lancer for I special summon him using this uh this the Horse Prince. When I activate this effect, starts when each monster destroys one monster on the field. So yeah. Okay. The one Daigoster, and the one Zen Mines.